March 14th, and it's 8:30 right now. I'm about to get up and go to the gym because I haven't been in a while, and I have a nail appointment at 11:30, so I want to try to work out a little bit before my appointment. And this is actually a new nail tech that I'm going to, so I'm hoping she does a good job. I'm sure she will though, because I saw like all her Instagram pictures and they look really good, so I can't wait to show you guys what they look like. Yeah, I feel so bad, so I am on my way now to the nail tech that I'm going to. It is 11:28 and my appointment is at 11:30, so I'm going to be like 5 minutes late. And yeah, this is my first time going to her too, so I know she probably has like a 10-minute grace period, but yeah, I just feel bad that I'm going to be late to the appointment. But it's terrible, like since I've been working, I haven't got my nails done since I think December when I went to Las Vegas, and it's March. Like I do wear press-on nails sometimes when I'm not able to get my nails done, but I had enough of like not being able to, so I'm just getting my nails really short. That way I shouldn't have a problem like when I go to work with having nails or having my nails done. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Faith, and on this vlog, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me and my family as we're getting ready for my sister's baby shower. She doesn't know I'm recording this, so I'm going to record this like record the behind the scenes now, and then I'm gonna have a really cute video to show her later on. But right now I am currently in the car. I have a couple centerpieces that will be for like special little areas in the table, and right now I'm getting ready to bring everything inside, and then pretty much after that I'm gonna let you guys see us as we're getting the venue ready for tomorrow, which is her baby shower. I find why I gave you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is up to guess. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body.
Yeah, yeah. I know I gave you all you need. I know what you like. I feel it for me. Tell me something, yes, I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other.
Hey y'all, so it's way later in the day. I just wanted to end my come with me to my appointments vlog. So I did get my nails done. Don't mind this nail. I cut my finger, so I wasn't able to get this one, but this is my structured manicure. It's so cute. And then this is the hand that I actually got to get all of them done. They definitely turned out cute, period. And I actually bought a press on nail, so that's what I'm going to use for this. And then all the other ones are fine because I got to get them done regularly. And this was actually my first time getting a structured manicure, so I might go back and get it again. I'm not for sure yet. But hey y'all, so today is March 15th, and today is the day of my sister's baby shower. And I just wanted to say how happy I am for my sister and how blessed I am that she gets to experience becoming a mother. Really thankful that I get to enjoy this special memory and moment with her during the baby shower and when the baby comes. And it is a blessing that I'm going to become an auntie. And yeah, so I just wanted to take you guys along today. We don't have to get to the venue until like probably 3:30 because it's like extra stuff that we have to do before it actually starts, which is at 5. And then other guests will be arriving like at 5 or a little before 5. So I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can during the actual baby shower. So I might like set my camera up, or I might just like use my phone and vlog certain things like the games or certain moments where I feel like recording, because I know some of it we want to keep private. But yeah, I'm really excited today. I'm gonna let you guys come with me while I'm getting ready and all of that. And yesterday we actually finished the majority of all the decorations. It was like maybe 10 to 12 people that were helping us, and it took us basically like 5.5 hours to like finish everything. The venue we were at today, or the venue we were at yesterday, they let us like go there the day before to set up. And honestly, I feel like that's the best way to do it. Like having an actual like team to help you decorate and being able to do it the day before the event is so helpful to like not feel rushed or anything the day of the event. And right now I'm just leaving the store. I had to grab a couple things from work tomorrow and the rest of this week coming up. But yeah, I'm getting ready to get back. And I don't really think is much else we have to do, like that we have to bring. So I'm basically just gonna just get back and straighten up, and then at probably 2 or so I'm gonna do my lash clusters. And I might have to buy some lash glue, not lash glue, nail glue, because as you guys remember, I got my nails done, but one of my fingers like is not fully healed because I cut my finger when I was trying to get the seed out of an avocado. And yeah, so I'm really sad though that I couldn't get all of my nails done, because now I have to wear a press-on nail on this one nail and have like all the other ones done. But it's okay. My nails still gonna look cute.